Oh, hey, come on in. Good morning, everybody. It's Katie here, and welcome back to my kitchen. This morning, we are making high protein, amazing, delicious lemon ricotta pancakes. You guys, these are to die for. You're gonna be obsessed with them. They're a little bit more a labor of love than a regular pancake, but it's worth it. If you have time on a Saturday or Sunday, I highly recommend making this for your loved one, for yourself, maybe for brunch. So let's get to it. Now, all of the ingredients are just going straight into a blender, but first and foremost, I'm just gonna toss in these rolled oats right here in the blender. And that's gonna be the first thing that you blend up to make it into oat flour. So let's do it. But I just wanna make sure that there's not huge chunks of oats in this. Now, let's get to the rest of the ingredients. Then we have regular flour. Again, this is really easy because you can just toss everything directly in the blender. Obviously, you see a spout right here. It's so easy to pour right on the stove. And today, it's actually really exciting. I'm using my griddle for the first time ever. Then tossing in baking powder. And I'm also doing baking soda, but just a little bit. I'm gonna quickly blend my dry ingredients one more time through. And now let's add those wet ingredients. We got 2 eggs. Now a little bit of agave, and that's coming in there just because, of course, we're adding lemon, so I don't want it too tart. You still want that sweetness of pancakes. Now, if you've ever had a ricotta pancake before, they are so good, and I hate this word. I'm sorry, but it's true. They're so moist. There's no dryness in these pancakes. So we have ricotta, and then for extra creaminess and more protein, y'all know I love cottage cheese, so we're gonna throw in some cottage cheese as well. Before we get to the main ingredient, the lemon, I'm just gonna do a tiny little bit of vanilla extract. Oh, and milk, of course, just a little bit. Now, the main ingredient, I'm going to be doing about half of a lemon squeezed in. It's gonna be around a 1/4 cup lemon juice. And this lemon is from my mom's tree, actually. So it's nice and plump. I forgot this in the dry ingredients, just a tiny bit of salt. All right, we got all the ingredients in the blender. I'm just gonna take a spatula, and as I blend, I'm just gonna make sure to kind of mix around the ingredients because with the flour can get caught on the sides of the blender, so just be aware of that. All right, now let's blend it on up. Looks perfect. This batter is perfect consistency. Now, the key to oat pancakes, whenever you're using oat flour per se, or you just freshly blended the oats, what I love to do is let the batter sit for at least 15 minutes. I just put it in the refrigerator. It's a way for the oats to soak up a little bit of that moisture so they can get fluffy and it doesn't feel as dry. So making sure you're letting the batter sit, I'm gonna pop this in the refrigerator. I'm so excited. First time using my griddle, and it's for come on in. Ready? This butter is the first thing that's ever hit this baby. Let's see if it even works. Oh yeah, it does. Gosh, I love buttery pancakes. They're just the best. That is the best pancake I've ever seen. Now we're talking. Oh my God, they're so thick, y'all. Look at that thick. Thick with 2 C's. She bounced when she twerked. These are some thick. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Are you kidding me? I am so impressed. All right, we're making 2 more. You guys, look at how thick they are. I am just so impressed. They look so moist. Holy moly. We are not done yet. Then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of vanilla honey yogurt, put it right on top, get a little bit of maple syrup, and to top it all off, a little bit of lemon zest. I can't take it. It looks so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. I feel like you would get this at a 5-star brunch. Gotta get in there, get a close up. All right, here we go. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness, they're still so hot too. Let's taste test. Unbelievable. Like literally one of the best pancakes I've ever put in my body, besides the one I had in Amangiri. Lane, does my husband want a taste test? He just went for a run, so protein pancakes post-run.
That is very, very good.
Right? Here, one more. He says unbelievable. Wow. Good, right? Restaurant quality, you guys. Lemon ricotta protein pancakes. You guys are going to be shocked at how good these are, and extra protein again with that cottage cheese, that yogurt on top, that lemon zest makes it still feel so light and so fresh and so springy as well. So I hope you guys love these as much as I do, and I'll see you guys next week on Come On In.